This distinctive Crown offers standout looks, spacious comfort, a deluxe interior, and all-weather traction. Its impressive suite of driver assist tech, infotainment features, and hybrid fuel efficiency create an unbeatable blend of smart practicality and stylish luxury. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors. Don't miss the chance to drive this captivating Crown. Our team will give you an outstanding road test experience. Stop in today.